let's plug it in and put it into the test. See if it works. Hello, viewers! I hope everything is great. My name is James from James Bagsik Videos, and today we're going to show you the most affordable ice shaving machine in the internet, the ice snatching machine. Wow! Perfect for business or just for homemade halo-halo. Be sure to watch till the end to know its features, pros and cons, and its function.
Wow!
Let's dive in and have a look. So, what's inside the box? Let's open it up.
That's great!
Comes in with the rubber handle that goes through here. Voila!
Nasaan ba yung tubo?
Comes in with the steel hopper with a protective cover. Comes in with the plate, stainless steel plate, the on and off switch, constructed with plastic and steel. There's nothing much to it, just a switch on and off, and the 3-pole cable with fuse. So, let's plug it in and put it into the test. See if it works. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, nope. It's not functioning. So, let's put some ice and see. Well, that's awkward because it's not working. There it is. On? Oh, nope, nothing. Oh, there it is. Oh, yes. There it goes. There's a safety switch here that needs to be aligned first. So, as the lever goes in, the switch turns on. Alright? Let's put the plate. Awesome. Do it. Yep. And there's your ice right there. Freshly squeezed ice. You can use this for halo-halo, a snowball, mais con yelo, banana con yelo, potato con yelo, sago con yelo, everything with ice. Frosty, smoothie, whatever. Great for business. Beat the summer with this device. So there it is. There's a safety feature here, a lever that serves as on and on switch. Oh, there it is. If you like this video, somewhat inspired you, made you feel good, or this unboxing gave you an idea for business or it somewhat helped you, hit the like button and share.
Subscribe!
Subscribe.
Subscribe!
Subscribe.
Subscribe!
Subscribe.
Subscribe!
Subscribe! Subscribe na!
Subscribe!
And we'll see you in the next video. Peace out, baby fries. Peace out.